What is up, everybody? How's it going? So, if you saw my short that I posted in the past, I don't know when this video is going to go up, you'll see it's the little how not to roundabout video. So, because it was only 20 something seconds or something like that, I didn't want to post it as a real video because obviously watch time, interaction, whatever, YouTube, SEO, blah. So, I figured I'd break it down here because I go around this roundabout enough, or I go up to this town, travel up to this town enough that, like, I know this roundabout because it's a cool little town and it leads to a bunch of other cool roads that I like. So it's not a bad travel time up, but I'm going to try and break it down, the little video, because it's only 20 seconds, so we're going to have to cut it up a little bit. But when you enter the roundabout, so I'm going to leave that picture here, there's 3 lanes which show you, the 2 middle, or left lane, the middle lane go into the roundabout. The right one goes up, I don't know the name of that street, whatever. That road. The right hand lane always exits. That's kind of its, deal in a roundabout. And granted, this roundabout's weird because there's multiple exits and it's not really a roundabout because there's lights, whatever. But the right hand lane always exits. So as we start going, the middle, my lane and the lane with the Tesla on the left go into the roundabout. The right hand lane goes out again, up whatever, I don't know the name of the road. Perfectly fine. As you go around that roundabout, once the first that first road, then it splits again because there is another exit to the outside. Now, if you're in the lane that I was, or am, the lane, outside lane, again, can choose to either exit the roundabout, go up again the other road that I don't know the name of, the second exit, or you can continue around the roundabout. It's just how it works. That's how roundabouts work. Outside lane exits. It's simple. The lane where the Tesla is, on the inside lane, all the way over to the left, you don't get to exit. That's not the lane you choose or you get to exit from. It's just not where you're supposed to be. That far left-hand lane either goes all the way around the roundabout and stops in one of those 2 or 3 lanes, technically, I think, whatever it is, in the roundabout to go straight back down the road or around whatever it is. That is your option. That is your correct pathing if you're in that car, is to go into one of those 3 lanes. Where I am is either to go into one of those lanes, probably the farthest over one, like the far right-hand lane, or to exit, which is perfectly fine. I was where I'm supposed to be. And then you look, and you just see, I'm looking at the Tesla. I remember this, it was probably a couple weeks ago now, or a week ago, whatever this happened. But I remember looking at the Tesla and just being like, you don't look like you're going where I think you need, you're supposed to be going. So I remember looking at it, and just, you can see me I pull in the clutch, and I'm just, sitting there going, you're going to cut me off, aren't you? No blinker, so I have no idea where this person's going. And instead of going where they're supposed to, like previously stated, no, they just decide to go cut across 1, 2, 3, lanes, or stop lanes, and exit. That's not how it works. It's just, that's not the way you're supposed to do things. I don't get how, 1, driving is hard, 2, how roundabouts get people so confused. If you're on the outside, you exit. If you're on the inside, you continue around. It's really, really simple. So now that I've explained this and done all that, I'm going to have to try and cut it up and put it into the video in the correct spots. So for all of my hard work and, editing savvy, hit the like button down below. Comment down below too. Do you think, do you find roundabouts hard? Do you find driving hard? And especially being a Tesla too, you can't hear anything about it. You can't hear anything from it. Yeah, that's more correct way of saying. But leave a comment below. As you're scrolling by, make sure to hit that subscribe button, the like button, and the little bell notification so that you can know when I'm posting more videos. And I'll see y'all later. Peace.